Now let's rearrange our 3.3 volt circuit simply in the same way as we have done for 7805. So let's just wire it up. Right click on the add wire and connect this pin number 3 of our 3.3 volt regulator with the 12 volt or the input of our circuit, which is the input is connected to the barrel jack. Now let's connect the other circuits, moving it little down, moving this capacitor also little down, rotating this LED by hitting R, moving this resistor a little above the LED and moving this connector a little closer. Now let's add wire at the output of this regulator, connect resistor with the LED and connect this capacitor with the output. A junction is made here. Connect also this capacitor with this input of this regulator. Now we want to again, I also want that the pin number 1 and 2 should be at same voltage level, which is 3 volt. So I have short circuit both the pins and connect this short circuit pin 1 and 2 with the output of 3.3 volt. And now almost the high voltage or the 3.3 volt net is connected, the input is connected. Now I want to connect ground. Go to add power symbols. We have recently used ground. Double click on this and click on the sheet, and thus the ground symbol is added. I can again click on the sheet, add another ground symbol for regulator. Now I hit escape and I can make a copy of this ground symbol by hitting Ctrl C, Ctrl V. As many symbols of ground I want, I can make by using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now I have added all the necessary ground symbols which I want. So let's wire it up. Connected ground with the capacitor, connected this ground with the regulator, connected this ground with this capacitor, ground with the LED, and similarly I want pin number 4 and pin number 3 to be short circuited. Both the pins should be at potential of ground. So I connected this with the ground. So now you can see that my schematic is complete. All the components are added here. I can little select it and move it a little into the center of my sheet. Now you can see that connections are made, grounds are connected, and I think it's almost complete. So the next step is we will be discussing about the annotation, how to name these components. Like I have by default selected the auto annotation. This is U101, J101, the reference designator. It's done automatically by the KiCad right now, as we will see in the coming videos how to change this annotation, how to annotate this circuit. So just keep on moving on, keep on learning. So to just summarize what we have done, we have first selected all the components that are necessary in our circuit and then placed on our schematic sheet. After placing on the schematic sheet, we'll rearrange it, connected the component pins with the help of our add wire symbol, and connected ground from selecting add power symbols. So this is how the schematic is made. We will be exploring more tools as we progress in our videos. So keep on moving, keep on learning.